Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll try to see how you can use Google Home app. See here, this is on my mobile. Through Google Home app, how you can mirror this particular phone on this TV. I'll show you. First of all, open the Play Store and try to install this Google Home app on your mobile. So on my mobile, I'm just trying to install this. Once it is installed, I'll show you each step by step. This will take less than a minute to set up screen mirroring using Google Home from your phone to the TVs. Okay, remember this particular TV is the Google TV. This is the Thomson TV, and please do comment if anyone is using currently Thomson TV or Kodak TV. See here, my installation on this is almost completed. Google Home, it is getting installed. Okay, see here the Google Home has been installed. I need to click on open, and remember this current phone and my TV are both connected to this Wi-Fi, which is my home Wi-Fi. See, these both are connected, and see here, this is the home interface. What you'll see when you first install this, you need to click on get started here, then click on next. It is asking for the allow notification. You can click on allow, and see here, now this is important. Through this particular email ID, my phone is signed in, and this is the email ID where the TV is also signed in. So I'm choosing the same email ID here. The both are same now. So I'll click on OK here. It is asking me to allow the Bluetooth. Click on next. Okay, and click on this allow, and you need to click on the next. And location also, while using the app, I gave the permission. And see, this is the home interface, and see here, you need to click on this devices option, the second option. And see here, these are the local devices. Why my TV is listed in this local devices? This is because just my TV, this particular TV and this phone are both connected through this Wi-Fi. That's the reason in my Google Home app, under this devices, see here, under this devices option, and in this local devices, this TV, this is my TV which is showing up. And when you click on this TV name, there is cast my screen option. You need to click on the cast screen and OK, select cast my screen and click on the start now. That's it. Your phone will be exactly mirrored on this TV. See here, see. Okay, when I click on the home on my phone, see, whatever, if I play the video, the audio will be coming from my TV. Okay, this is how you can use the screen mirroring using Google Home app on your mobile. I hope you like this tutorial. If you do have any questions, please do ask in the comments.